A very good morning to all the students. This is Veena teacher. Children, in today's class, I'm not going to teach you any topic, but today's class we're going to discuss about the coronavirus, COVID-19. Now, as all of you know, the number of cases in Jamshedpur is increasing, and today there are as many as near about 100 cases, positive cases in Jamshedpur. So now the time has come that we should be extremely careful so that we don't get the disease ourselves and we don't spread the disease to our near and dear ones. Now let us just see this presentation that was prepared by Tata Steel about what is a coronavirus and how to protect ourselves, because in WhatsApp and other social media you're getting a lot of information, and much of this information has no authenticity, means whether it is right or wrong, or some fake news is getting spread, you do not know. So this is from the Tata Steel, so each and every thing that is shown in this slide you can trust it. So let us start discussing about this virus. So coronavirus, it is a family of viruses that cause a common cold kind of a disease, but here this common cold kind of a disease is so fatal that within no time you will see that the individual collapsing and dying, and this is extremely dangerous kind of a disease. So here what that is shown in the slide is we have to wash our hands repeatedly with soap water, and then maintain at least 3 feet distance. So please do not stand close to anybody, maintain distance in the house also. Please try to maintain the social distance, and then practice the respiratory hygiene by wearing mask. So see that you're wearing mask whenever you leave your house and go outside. If at all you're going out to throw garbage or any such small event activity, see that you're wearing a mask. Now do not touch your eyes, nose, mouth, and do not eat any raw or uncooked meat. And yes, travel, even though today you can travel from one state to other state, one place to other state, one place, but it is advised that you are not supposed to travel without any valid reason. And please do not participate in any mass gathering so that this spreading of the disease is prevented. Okay, now this is very important, the symptoms of corona and other flu-like diseases. So here you can see in the case of COVID-19, fever, dry cough, shortness of breath. That is something which is very commonly seen, and then there is no sneezing that is associated with COVID. And you can just see that in common cold also more or less the same symptoms are there. So even though it is very difficult to distinguish between the COVID and other flu-like symptoms, as and when you see that a person is suffering from these kinds of symptoms, the person should go to a doctor and get himself or herself checked immediately. Now this we have already seen, wash the hands. Please stay away from the people who are coughing and sneezing, and cover the mouth while coughing or sneezing. Now here, how to do the hand rub, how to wash your hands. Now it is said that either you can use the hand sanitizers which are alcoholic based, or you can wash your hands with the soap for 20 seconds, and ensure that while you are rubbing your hands or washing your hands, all your fingers also should be washed properly. And during these times, please avoid wearing any kind of jewelry in the hands or bands or watches, etc., because these are some materials on which, if the virus is lodged itself, means virus is sitting, then it's very difficult to remove that virus from those parts, and within no time the virus will enter the human body. Please please understand this, that the virus is waiting for a human body. So as and when it gets any human surface, human body, then immediately it will enter the human body and start spreading in the human body. So here you can see this, how to wash the hands. Okay, now children, it is you people are not going out, and I can understand that in the house it's very difficult for you to stay. So please spend as much less time as possible on screens. Please do not stick to your cell phones or computers or the televisions, etc. Get in the habit of reading books or pursue some hobby or start drawing, painting, sketching, etc. Because you have to keep yourself fit always. So common symptoms of excessive uses of digital media. Now these days, yes, I understand that your classes are also on your cell phones, but nevertheless, you ensure that after attending to your classes, you minimize the usage of your cell phones. Okay, now some symptoms of excessive usage of digital media are headaches, fatigue, irritated eyes, vertigo, dizziness, blurred vision, eye strain, etc. And apart from that, double vision, polyopia, dry eyes, neck pain, difficulty, and refocusing the eyes. So all these are the symptoms that you will see. So if at all you're finding any of the symptoms, then you understand that you have been using the cell phone more than that is needed. So you have to curtail the use of these digital medias. Okay, precautions for the people living with somebody with COVID-19. God forbid, if you're staying with any suspect or anybody who is having this disease, then these are the symptoms. Monitor the patient for worsening the symptoms. Clean high-touch surfaces and wash laundry frequently. Care for the patient's pets. Run errands as allowed, and open the windows and wash your hands repeatedly. And please do not let any non-essential visitors. This is anytime these days. That is not only that when you're having a COVID patient in the house, but anytime these days, please do not allow any visitors in your houses. And then use the same bathroom or sleep in the same room if possible. Okay, so that is also, that should be avoided. Sharing of the dishes or with the neighbors is certainly big no, avoided. And then please do not stand near to any person who is not wearing any mask or gloves. And please do not take anybody's mask and gloves and wear it for yourself. Everybody should be having their own personal mask and gloves. Okay, so here this tutorial in YouTube also, you're having lots of methods by which you can make a mask. You can just check and see that you're making your own mask if at all you don't have a new one. Okay, now when you have gone out and you're coming home, then please follow these diligently each and every day. First thing is, do not, when you reach your house, when you enter your houses, do not touch anything in the house. And if you have a pet and you have taken a pet for the walk, then disinfect the pet paws and clean the paws of the pet. And you have to leave your bags, purses, wallets, keys, etc. And then if you have taken a mobile phone, then please see that you're disinfecting or washing your mobile phone also. Remove your shoes outside the house, remove your clothes and place them in a bag, and you have to wash them, have a shower, and clean all the stuff that you have brought with bleach before storing them. Okay, so when you go out to get some vegetables, groceries, etc., see that you're following all these things. Now these are other safety measures. Do not go near any fire source after applying alcohol based hand sanitizer or spray, as it is highly inflammable. So you have to be extremely careful while using the hand sanitizers, because these are all alcohol based hand sanitizers. Okay, now this is also very important. If at all you're traveling by a car, do not take your sanitizer and move in the car, because that is also pretty dangerous. And if you have any kids in the house, see that you're keeping this sanitizer away from the kids. Now children, we have been hearing this term social distancing very, very frequently. Social distancing aims through a variety of means to decrease or interrupt the spread of COVID-19. It does this by minimizing contact between potentially infected individuals and healthy individuals. Social distancing is keeping 2 meters, that is 6 feet, space between you and other person. You should not shake your hands or make any close contact where possible. So you have to maintain the distance between one person to other person. Okay, now here you're there in the house and you're not going out to play any games, but nevertheless, you have to take care of yourself. And just now we discussed that you have to minimize your screen time. And during this time, it is inevitable that since we're having very less amount of physical exercise, it is inevitable that a person may tend to put on weight. So please look out for these kinds of health risks, that is obesity, that is putting on weight, loss of social skills, violence, behavioral problem, less time for recreation, irregular sleep schedules or lesser duration of sleep. So many of you must be having this habit of staying very late at night and then waking up late in the morning. Please do not get into these kind of habits. Have a regular kind of a sleep and eat well, so that you're having adequate amount of rest also. So do not share your mask, wear reusable mask, and you have to wash your mask also. And don't play any pranks like pulling off mask from other person's face, etc. And maintain your personal hygiene. Okay, self quarantine tips. If a person or if is advised to self quarantine, these things: stay home, avoid public places, isolate yourself, and use a separate bathroom. Call ahead, when you visit a doctor. Wash your hands, wear a mask, and coughing and sneezing. If the person is showing the symptoms, see that the person is using a handkerchief. And do not go outside for any reason. And as we discussed already, do not let any visitors, and pets also should have minimal contact with pets. And share space with housemates if possible. That is, please do not do that. It is under don't. Do not share dishes with others, and go to doctor. And then and till you are asked to quarantine, you have to quarantine for that period of time. Okay, now types of masks: dust mask, surgical mask, homemade mask. These are three types of masks which are available. Okay, so masks that are a part of PPE, these are meant for employees working in the plant. Those people will wear dust mask. Surgical mask means these are meant for medical professionals, and homemade mask, these are meant for the rest of the people. Okay, now why you have to wear a mask? I think by now all of you know very well. It lowers the risk of inhaling virus and prevents passing of germs of causing and sneezing, and helps to stay safe. So it's very important that you get into a habit of wearing the mask. And how not to wear a mask? Yes. Now you have to see that your nose is also, bridge of the nose is also covered with a mask. So here you can see that this girl's mask is there right on the bridge of the nose. Your mask should be there like that. Okay, don't wear the mask below the nose. So there's no point in wearing the mask if your nose is out. And your chin also should not get exposed. Here you can see this lady's chin is getting exposed. Okay, the mask should not be very loose. And then your mask, many of the people you see on the roads are walking like this, so this is also certainly not done. And then you have to see that not only the tip of the nose, your mask should cover the bridge of the nose also. And always see that you follow all the tips to prevent coronavirus. Children, please take all these precautions and stay extremely vigilant, and take care of yourself, take care of others also. So wearing the mask is something which which is going to stay with us for a very long time. Maybe for 6 months to 1 year you should get into the habit of mask. Maybe after a few weeks, when your school starts also, you have to be wearing masks. So please follow these precautions. All of you stay safe and stay happy. God bless you all.